Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Lesson 14. Birds. Birds are the only creatures that are blessed with wings and can fly in the sky. Look at the following pictures, read the clues, and then write their names. Take help from the help box. Help box. 1. It is the fastest swimming bird, but it cannot fly. Penguin. 2. It is the largest bird on the earth. Ostrich. 3. It has a bald head. Vultures. 4. Its eyesight is extremely powerful. Eagle. 5. It is regarded as the wisest bird. Owl. 6. This is the national bird of New Zealand. Kiwi. 7. It is the third largest bird in the world. Emu. 8. It is the world's tallest flying bird. Crane. 9. It often stands on one leg. Flamingo. 10. It is the smallest bird. Hummingbird.
Like, share and subscribe.